Attorney.
So,
Sana sila. Hindi mo kayo ma'am. Ano kayong harang din? Hindi mo kayo ma'am. Kaya kasi yung hawa.
Parang may anger issues in defense, no? Parang sinisigawan yung witness, sinisigawan yung opposing counsel, sinisigawan yung presiding officer. Hindi niyo ba nakita yun? So kung ganyan yung takbo ng cross, parang tapos na yung boxing.
Is that just being disrespectful ba?
Obviously, disrespectful to the court, to the parties, and to the witness. I think that is all for everyone to see. Pero very important naman, kita-kita naman ho yung mga sagot ko kanina. Una, yung BPSG, hindi po yung organic sa OBP at sa DepEd. So ang question pa rin doon, ba't yung binigyan ng confidential funds? So, pangalawa, yung pong pinapakita ng confidential activities, ay hindi ho nakadikit doon sa paggamit ng confidential funds. Yun yung kailangan ipaliwanag. Ba't nagbigay ng pera para sa gamot? Ba't nagbigay ng pera para sa other supplies? Hindi nila yung mapaliwanag kanina. So, yun po muna. Pero, anger issues, mga kaibigan.
Thank you, Kong. Wala pa.
Oral game na ba? Ako, papunta na si ma'am. Hindi. Marisol, kasi tumatagal. Ngayon, ikaw ang nagtatagal. Kasi dami mo.
wala eh. Ikaw na bahala mo yun. Basta mapat yan ha. Lalapit yan. Try mo lang. Wala mga
Attorney, good afternoon po. Kamusta po yung cross-examination? Napakahaba. Hindi pa tapos eh. Continuation, disrespectful po yung way ng cross-examination. I beg your pardon? Do you think na disrespectful po yung pagiging cross-examination niya?
No, I have no comment. I have no comment. Later na lang.
Press ko na nga kayo. Press it. Second person.
Figurative lang po ba yun, attorney? Can you clarify on your stance in remark? Figurative po ba yun or just a remark?
Hindi, kasi syempre figurative yun. Ano? Alam nga naman pupunta pa ako doon tapos bubugbugin ko. Hindi naman, no? I think the point of the presiding officer is a call for more patience on my part. Because tama naman siya, there is a generational gap. Not only is there a generational gap, there's a gap in experience. 48 years na ako sa practice. I have no idea what her practice is. And she did say that ang practice niya ay Court of Tax Appeals. Hindi naman litigation. So, yeah, let's give more patience.
Attorney, do you think may anger issue ba yung defense? Si Attorney Christine, laging galit eh.
No comment na lang.
Ma'am, what hurt you the most? Is it the demeanor, the argument, the procedure, the manner, the method? What was it?
All of the above.
Which one in particular, the most, ma'am?
All of the above.
But
No.
is it necessary,
What
attorney?
to me, the prosecution really is doing everything to simplify procedures. That's why we ask for stipulation. To be more direct sa mga examination namin. Nakita nyo naman na direct ang examination namin when we present our witness. Because the intention really is to simplify matters for the impeachment court. Because sabi nga nila, they need more time to legislate. Wala na silang oras. On the other hand, while we are here, nakita nyo sa grave threats, nagpapasalamat tayo ng file ng NBI ng grave threats. But sa grave threats, nakita nyo from 10 or 12 witnesses, ilan ang witnesses na namin sa grave threats? 3, di ba? Because all the other witnesses became unnecessary. Kasi klaro naman yung testimony ng 3 witnesses namin. And that's what we're trying to do also here in the confidential files. Whereas dito nagsisimplify kami and doing everything possible para hindi masyadong technical, they're going on the technical side. Even introducing laws na hindi naman kasama dito. National Internal Revenue Code tungkol sa gross income, how is that relevant to COA? Isa pa, anong itsura ng receipts? Ba't natin pinag-uusapan ng receipt? Wala nga kayong sinabit na receipts. Beyond that, let's listen na lang because I don't want na sabihin nila subjudice. But yes, if I sounded impatient, I guess it's a function of age.
But would you consider this as a delaying tactic?
I don't know if it's the delaying tactic, but we leave them to their own strategy. With a caution that the more they delay, the more magagalit, the more they prolong those examination. Na kinaklaro na nga, the presiding officer is very efficient. Si Senator Cheese is very efficient in trying to summarize. Kasi kung minsan, puro preliminary, 6, 5, 10 questions, wala kayong question. No? So, we are thankful that the presiding officer, Cheese, is also trying to aid in the clarity of the cross-examination question.
Where do you draw the line between your opposing counsel being argumentative and being disrespectful?
I guess it depends. It depends. Sometimes argumentative, sometimes disrespectful. It's a function of what is the question. Kasi yung question, pag nag-argue lang, argumentative. Yung disrespectful naman is the manner of mentioning
Where
it.
is she more leaning towards?
I will not comment.
But what do you feel, Attorney? Because it seems like she's very disrespectful to you as marami na kayong experience or medyo baguhan pa.
Alam mo, lahat ng mga anak ko lalaki, no? Sanay na ako sa mga disrespectful. Kaya lang yung mga anak ko, pinalaki ko to be respectful. Sana siya din.
Thank you, Attorney.
Ay, subjudice yun. Hindi subjudice yun. Ang galing ka talaga. Alam mo. Live dalawa kami.